up, y'all? It's your boy D-Trix. We're back at it again on someone else's channel with another tutorial how to make a viral dance video. Let's go. First things first, know which platform you're gonna do a video on before you actually go and do it. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, MySpace, whatever the platform is, know the platform before you create a video. Second thing is, you can plan to make a viral dance video, but that doesn't mean it's actually gonna go viral. I've had a tremendous amount of failed videos that I thought were gonna go viral. Matt, I think these are all the videos on my channel. Can you not? Matt! Once you choose your platform, know who watches this platform and what they expect out of it. For me, I like to choose like a dance concept first, like a way to show the dance that I feel like has not been done yet. What do I want people to see? Then I choose the song and the audio, but more importantly, I really try to find something that's really relatable to everybody, not just dancers, because the equation I'm trying to solve is what video can I post that other people will see that would want to show it to someone that doesn't give two shits about me or dance, or the case may be, just because they think it's cool. And then last but not least, it has to end on some type of joke. Best way to do it is show some type of quick relatable story, get your dance portion out of the way, one last joke, boom. Now one thing I do try to think about is all the ingredients that Instagram has to offer. We know after the video is done, it has to replay back at the beginning. What is the transition of that? So I would end on like an 8, and then in the beginning it starts on a 1. Does that kind of make sense? No? Then oh well, that sucks for you. At the end of the day, as long as you are persistent and you just keep going and keep making videos, that one will happen. You just have to keep going. Next up is thinking about the thumbnail in this Instagram video. So even when I'm making these videos, I'm thinking about which part I'm gonna freeze frame that specific Instagram video at for my cover photo, because that's a big deal. They don't look at the titles first like YouTube, they look at the cover photo, and if you're on the search page, that's the first thing you see. Next, I also think about what is the caption. Simple, straight to the point, relatable. That's it. If you don't have anything, just start it off with when something this. Mostly when you're is the best, because then it makes other people feel like they're a part of it. When you're, fill in the blanks, lowercase letters, ... Thank you so much for watching. This is your boy D-Trix. Click like, subscribe, and leave in the comments section below what video you never want to watch again next.